Hey guys, welcome back to Health 110. It's hard to believe we're at week 6 already of the semester. Honestly, it's flying by, and the end of the semester is going to be here before you know it. So just keep on doing great work. In fact, I sent out 3 messages last week, and so you received one of these three. Either A, you're doing a great job, keep it up. B, um, you probably could be doing a little bit better. Let me know how I can support you. Or C, hey, you're missing the mark completely, and I want to make sure you're successful. So reach out to me so we can figure out how to get this thing back on track. The good news is I would say 95% of you received that first message that said keep it up. In fact, the class average is at like a 93 now, which is expected considering that you're given an opportunity to retake every quiz until you get a 100. Okay, so this week's pretty much business as usual. We've got our video, another short video on portion control. Guys, I'm going to be honest with you. That's my biggest downfall there. I could certainly eat a diet that's higher in nutrition in terms of eating foods with more nutritious value instead of the junk that I eat. But at the end of the day, I just overeat. Okay, so portion control is my focus. You've got your PowerPoint, your lab, and your quiz. Again, monitor your checklist and your grades weekly. Okay. In the chapter, it's going to discuss nutrition here. Look, I won't get into different types of diets and the fad diets that come and go. The key to wellness is just eating a variety of nutritious foods, one that's just balanced um, with nutrient dense, nutrient rich foods. No other way to put it. And trust me, like I said, I'm as guilty as the next guy of eating just junk food and overdoing it. So here we're just hoping to educate you more, and so you can be more mindful and more intentional about including foods in your diet that offer greater nutritional value. All right, with that being said, guys, make it a great week. I'm just an email away if you need anything. Take care.